Hi guys! Good evening everyone! Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the whole world. Ayan, I would like to say hi and advance Merry Christmas to everybody! And thank you all so very much to the remittance, the Smile Remittance Japan. Thank you so much po. Ayan, sa pagbigay nyo. Who gave this very cute sweatshirt? Ayan, very nice and because it's cold weather here in Japan na. That will very fit on me. Thank you so much for giving this gift. Thank you so much. And this time we're gonna unbox the stuff what we've got in Nagashi. So let me show you guys the stuff that I brought in Nagashi. Actually this is a gift. Yeah, thank you so much. And what we got here is bag. Okay, and I will let you see what is inside and what I've chose. Okay, I'm so excited. Here is the my course, and as what we vlogged last time, I chose the white one because I really love white. I could not wait to let you see this. Ayan. This is the white Michael Kors. Okay. Ayan, very cute. And ang napaka-maganda po ay is inside. It's 3-in-1 bag. There is a sling bag wherein a bag bag. So, we can detach small bag and to make it 3-in-1 gift. So, I detach this. This is the sling bag. Ayan po siya guys. So, ilalagay lang po natin itong sling to make it mini bag. Ayan. A shoulder bag. So, you can use it like this. Ayan po siya guys. Oh, diba? Okay. You can use it like that. Or you can use it like this. It's up to you. It's your choice. Ayan. So, very cute po siya. So, we can put our wallet here, keys, and handkerchiefs, and a little amount of makeup. So, we can use a pouch and what we can put this. And even though a perfume, we can put it inside. Okay? So, tama-tama po na maybe I can use it separately. Ayan. So, ano. And another one is this body bag. Ayan. So, i-detach lang po natin siya. We have to detach it. Ayan po siya. So, a little bit smaller. Ayan. So, we have to ilagay natin ito. And ilagay po natin dito. Okay? So, put it in here. O, diba? Body bag na siya. At least 3-in-1. One bag, 3-in-1 bag. Okay, this is the body bag. Ayan, so cute. Pero parang hirap ako dito kasi hindi ko mailalagay yung wallet ko. Kasi ito kasing laki na ng wallet ko. Hindi ko siya mailalagay dito. So maybe we gonna put it inside na lang talaga siya. Ayan. But if we can use a cellphone and keys and one lipstick and powder, pwede po siya magkasya dito. So ayan po siya. It is inside. So ilalagay ko lang. And of course, we can use this thing also to our main bag. Ayan. Pwede po natin siya din ilagay dito if you want to put this sling. This sling. Ayan na. Ayan, we can use it also. Ayun. So, ayan na po siya. And aside from our Michael Kors, I have also here my favorites. Okay, this is it. My favorite Swarovski. Ayan. I love the pato dance. Ayan na, pato. O, Swarovski, diba? O, tamang-tama yung pato dance natin. It's fit on for this, okay? I chose the black one. Ayan. So, one of our collection, I have my crystal, I have the gold color. And this time, we'll have to change it to a black one. I have a black earrings and, oh, it's fitted on my hand kasi it's black. Okay, so we're gonna open this.
Ayan, we can buy a real diamond. So we can buy instead the crystal. Ayan. So I love crystal also. We can buy, so very expensive to buy a real diamond, but I chose to buy the crystals. Ayan. It is very good for the body also. Okay. And aside from that, we love blue. So it's black. Oh, wait, I do in love a black. I don't know. And this is start from Inmi. Ayan. Ayan. Nag-sale din po ito. It was a sale also. Ayan. So we buy a look like a bear jacket. Ayan. This is so smooth and very good for winter. So very warm. Ayan. A bear-like coat. Ayan. And the last but not the least is another black. I don't know why I chose black. All black. So this is our night. Ayan. Okay. This is for my kids actually. Ayan. This is 50% off. So we have buy this because medyo may kamahal. It's 15,000 yen. So sa lapad at kalahati, medyo mahal din. So ayan. Kabay tayo. It's because it's 50%. Ayan. So it's night. It's down night. Ayan. So warm. Ayan. It's a down night. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe sa mga hindi pa po subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification below and to notify you my next videos. So guys, that's all for today. God bless and see you tomorrow to my Alice. Don't forget guys, so bagay na po ba ito sa akin? Ayan, thank you so much. I love you all and God bless. Hope you enjoyed and see the stuff, and you can have the idea where you can buy a sale in mostly at Christmas season. So thank you so much guys. Hopefully this information will give an information to where we can buy where we can save and buy a good stuff. Okay.
All for tonight. Yo, thank you so much and bye-bye.